Hello, my name is Eduardo Rocha and my partner is Alexis Martinez. We are teaming up to make this human body care activity, so I'm going to be talking about the first two parts. Cells are the basic building blocks of all organisms. Why? Because a group of cells is what makes tissues. A group of tissues makes organs, and organs make our systems. We as organisms need to perform those systems like a respiratory system, digestive system to keep on living. Without cells having made the tissues, we won't have the organs, and without the organs, we won't have the systems. That's why it's said that the cells are the basic building blocks of all organisms. Now there's two systems I want to talk about: the osseous system and the endocrine system. The former is also known as a skeletal system. We have 206 bones, and these bones, what does is that it allows us to move. It gives us protection and structure. Now, as for the endocrine system, this includes all of the glands of the body and the hormones produced by those glands. And what this does is that it regulates the internal conditions that we have to remain stable.
Now, I'm going to talk about the homeostasis, which is the ability to maintain internal stability to compensate some factors that happen in the daily life. For example, the environmental changes or some changes that we do in our body. For example, if we take out some blood or if we drink a lot of water, we don't have a notorious physical change. Now, we pass to the heart attack symptom classification, which is classified in 4 classes. Each one depends on how bad the patient is. This is to do for the patient to reduce his risk of having a heart attack. In the class 1, the patient doesn't have to have some unusual fatigue or palpitation, so he doesn't have any limitation at his physical activity. In the class 2, the patient seems to have some fatigue with ordinary physical activity, so he has some slight limitation on his physical activity. Now, on the class 3, the patient has some fatigue with less than ordinary activities, so he has some marked limitation on his physical activities. On the class 4, now the patient seems to have always discomfort with every simple move, so he's always in a rest state. Now, that's all for all project or activity. Thank you for watching and thanks for your attention.